Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can fix Rockstar Launcher. Sorry, we are unable to handle this request at this time. So the first solution is right click on your Rockstar Launcher and run as administrator and see if this fixes your problem or not. The next thing you need to do is go to your Windows search bar and type the date and time settings and open it, turn it on, which is set time automatically. Make sure it is turned on and click on the sync now. After this setting, the next thing you need to do is go to your Windows search bar and type virus and threat protection and open it. And now here, just scroll down, you will see many settings. Click on it and scroll down again and you will see exclusion. Click on add or remove exclusion. Click on yes option and click on add an exclusion, then click on folder and now select your GTA 5 or Rockstar Game Complete folder. So go to your PC or then program files and select your GTA 5 or Rockstar folder. After you select that, click on select folder. And the next thing you need to make sure is that you are not using any IP or VPN. And now see if the problem is fixed or not. And I hope this solution fixed your problem, and if it did, please like this video and thanks for watching.